Hi viewers, in this tutorial I am going to tell you about the elements of C programming structure that we use to make any program. Okay, first see the name of the elements which I have written for you in a Word document, that is here, and this is called syntax elements. And if we say point then one data information to keywords, white space, statement, semicolon, comment line, single and double, maybe comment line, and character strings, tokens, data type, format specifiers, variable declaration, print the value, and lastly header file. Now I'll show the use of these elements in a program which is here. And first you have to know about the data and information, and in this program we take the data and by the end of the program which we will get, that will be information. So we can say data is the raw fact and information is the structured form of data which have a meaning and make sense to us. Now I will tell you about the elements that we used in this structure to make this program, and I will start the main function section on this is called the main function section and indicates the starting point of this program, as we say in my first tutorial. And if you go pointedly, then here I have said about data and information, and now keywords and white space. Keywords are some reserved word in our compiler that is saved by the developers in a compiler previously. And white space are like normal space we use, but if we say about the use of white space in programming language, then and the difference of white space in programming language is that in this program the space have a value that is counted by the compiler. But in normally we don't consider any value if we use white space in our Word document that have no value. Character means letter under single quotation, and string means some character under double quotation. Like this, if we write here, then characters are like this. And if we use strings are like this. So you can see the difference of between character and string. And tokens are some point that are the smallest unit of the information that can be this, like this. I mean the smallest unit of the program that we used in program to make. Now I will tell you about data type and format specifiers. Really, we use 4 type of data type in C language to make our program. Firstly, character, integer, float, double, and to write program we use only this part in the program, only this part and this. And format specifiers are used to indicate that what kind of data this is. If this is character type of data, then and as a format specifiers we use %c, and for the integer type of data we use %d, for the double type of data for %f, and for double type of data we use %f. You can see in this program I also used format specifiers here and here that indicate take integer type of data. And now about the variable declaration and print the value. And here it is. Here you can see I have written this variable declaration. So this is variable declaration. This is made by data type and the variable, and this combination is called variable declaration. And if we tell about printing the value, this line I have used to print the value, and this line I have used to take import from the user, or this time I am taking this data from the computer, and this is called variable. It may be any name, but it basically indicates the space that we take from the memory by this and by this, and this will indicate the space in the memory, and by this we take some space from our memory and take value in this. And now I will tell you about the header file. There are so many header files in C programming, and here I have used stdio.h header file. It is called the standard input-output header file, and this is stored in our compiler. See, the program I have built, this is not enough to run to compile the program, to convert this program in machine language. That's why we have to use some header file that helps to build our program and tell the compiler about the things we have used in this block, and that's it about the elements of our statement block or the program. And in my next tutorial I will tell about the operator, or here you can see I just take to value and this will be just printed, and here I don't give any instruction to do any operation, but for the operation we have to give the instruction to the program to do the operations, and I will tell you about the operation and operators in my next tutorial. And now I will compile this program, and here you can see 0 errors, 0 warning, 0 minutes and 0 seconds. And if we run the program, then we can see enter to value, and if we take any integer value for the program and enter, Then we can say here printed this value again. As I can say here, I don't give any instruction to operate any operation. Then it just prints the values that I inputted. So in my next tutorial I will show you how to take different type of data type and how we can give instruction to the compiler to operate our system. And one thing that I missed out, that is command line. And there are two types of command line called single line command and double line commands that I have written here. We use single line command to deactivate a single line of a program like this, and we use double or multi-line command to deactivate some of our lines like this we can use in this way. Here you can see this portion of this program is now deactive. We don't use command line only for deactivation, or we can use this command line to add briefing, as I add here about this header file and about this main function section on what is about, and we can use this briefing like this about the program through comment lines. So that's it about comment lines, and here goes the all elements that I told here, and stay tuned with my channel and see my next tutorial also, and give your comments, like, share your idea about programming. So for now, goodbye.